Tired of your Android phone switching to dark mode on its own? This quick guide shows how to disable automatic dark mode schedules, check bedtime mode and battery saver settings, and keep your preferred display theme active all day. Step 1. Turn off scheduled dark mode. One of the most common reasons dark mode activates automatically is because a schedule has been enabled in your display settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Display. Select Dark Mode Settings. Make sure dark mode is highlighted just above this option. Look for Turn on as scheduled. Toggle this option off. Some Android devices allow dark mode to switch on automatically at sunset and turn off at sunrise. If this feature is enabled, your phone will keep changing themes based on the time of day. Disabling the schedule ensures dark mode only activates when you manually choose it. Step 2. Check bedtime mode settings. Bedtime mode can sometimes change display behavior and enable darker screen themes during specific hours. Open Settings, tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Select bedtime mode, tap Turn on as scheduled. Disable the schedule or turn bedtime mode off completely. If bedtime mode is active every night, it may be responsible for making your phone appear to switch to dark mode automatically. Step 3. Disable power saving mode. Battery saving features can also force dark mode to help reduce power consumption. Open Settings, tap Battery, select Power Saving or Battery Saver, toggle the feature off. You can also check for any automation settings that enable power saving mode when your battery reaches a certain percentage. Step 4. Restart your device. After making these changes, restart your phone to ensure all settings are refreshed and applied correctly. And that's it. Dark mode should now stay off unless you manually enable it. By checking scheduled display settings, bedtime mode, and battery saver options, you can prevent Android from automatically switching to dark mode and enjoy a consistent viewing experience.